Hey guys, what's up? Zach here, back with another video. Today Apple released the developer beta for iOS 14, which includes devices with A9 chips in it. That means iPhone 6s and SE are still supported. In this video, I'll show you how you can get it on your device. Go to the link in the description, click on download iOS/iPad OS 14 beta profile, download, and it will ask for confirmation. Go ahead and allow it. Go to general. Scroll down to your profile section. As you can see, the profile will appear here. It'll ask for some permissions. Allow the permissions. Now once you're done, go ahead and restart your device. Once you're done restarting, head over to your settings. The general section, software updates, and let it download the update and then proceed to install. You gotta make sure you do not have any old developer profile or beta installed, or this will not work. Thank you guys, have a nice day.